Hello students, now we are going to learn the next topic in the pivot animator. First of all, we learned previously the delete frames, copy selected frames and the paste selected frames, and I also give the target to make an animation, and I hopefully that all of the students making that animation, but only some of the students are sending me that video of that animation. So now we are going to the next topic. जैसे जैसे हम आगे जाएंगे वैसे वैसे बहुत सारे फ्रेम कंट्रोल्स आएंगे, ओपनिंग स्क्रीन कंट्रोल्स आएंगे, तो आपको सारे एनिमेशन एक साथ बनाने में थोड़ी डिफ़िकल्टी रहेगी। तो इससे अच्छा आप थोड़े थोड़े एनिमेशन बनाओ और उसकी वीडियोस जो है वो आप मुझे भेजो। ओके, सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू अगेन द ओपनिंग स्क्रीन ऑफ pivot animator. Okay, first of all we are going to the next level of the pivot animator. You have to be compulsory make the animation in the pivot animator. You can download in your system also. Okay, first of all, next is the background. It allows us to add the background to the animation. How many need to load the background first into application using the file load background option from the menu bar. So I will show you how to you have to be add the background. It's not necessary you can put any natural image, you can also put your own image. That is totally dependent on you. वो आपके ऊपर ही पूरा डिपेंड रहता है कि आपको किस तरह का बैकग्राउंड रखना है. So let's see. So this is your opening screen and these are the controls that we learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we are going to the background. So first of all, to add the background you have to go to the file menu. Then fifth option is the load background. You have to be click on that, and shortcut key is the Control plus B. When you press Control plus B, then you can see that screen will be appeared to you. Okay, so this is when I load the background, this screen will be displayed you, means your desktop or your other browser, other drives that will be displayed to you. And I have a one image on the screen that I will be used for the background. You can choose another also. Open, you can see here that will be background at the figure, and I add the frame. Here is the adding the frame. Okay, second, when you change it, you can see one screen, that is the one onion screen. This is called the onion screen. So when you move the origin line, this is the origin, this is the red handles, and this is the onion screen. You have to be remember that name: red handles, origin and the onion screen. So let's see. First of all I will show you. Okay, next is the add figure. Before start that I will show you how do you add the figure. It's not necessary that you can animate only on the one figure. You can add the more than figure and you can animate them. So first of all, it adds the default figure to the animation. If there is more than one figure type, the animation or figure type, select the window appears that allow you to select the desired figure type. So I will show you how you can add the figures. First of all, this is the simple, I add the frame. Now I am going to adding the new figures. Go to the file, load figure type. Okay, when you click on that, you can see the some of the figure type will be in front of you. First of all is the alphabet. When you click on the alphabet, you can see here some of the alphabets is in front of you, numbers, alphabets that's you want, I, J. Okay, which type of you want, that you can be selected from this. All is your. But if you don't want to select the alphabet, then you can go here, clock, cowboy. You can see here the preview of that. Default, elephant, horse, ladder, man, man involved, man rotate, elastic man. So that is your choice, that which type of figure you want to add. For example, I want to add one man like this. When I press open, here you can see that Okay, remember that you can see here that this first figure have all the blue dots and the second figure have the orange and the red block. Now this is the current figure and this is the deactivate figure. This is the activate figure, this is the deactivate figure. So let's see. Okay, as I told you, this is the origin handle, this is the segment or the red handles, this is called the onion handles. A stick figure consists of the segments, lines or that are connected by the pivoting joints. Okay, to move the entire stick figure, click to the origin handle and drag it to new position as I show you. So this is the current one. If you want to move that figure, whole figure, then you can do like this. And here you can see the onion screen that will be lighted, and using of the origin then you can move this figure, whole figure. And if you want to add the frame, you can add. Then click the drag segment handles presented at the each of the segment with the mouse or rotate it around its pivot. These are the segment handles. Red color are the segment handles and orange color will be the origin handle. So you can move it. We already made the animation, so no need to explain it more. And what is the onion screen? Already we seen. While editing a frame, when you move the stick figure using any of its handle, a shadow like a semi-transparent figure is seen at the screen. This figure is the onion screen. You have to remember the name. Onion screen, origin handle and the segment handle. The arrow key are used to move the selected figure accurately by the increments of 1 pixel at the time. When you are doing this, 1 pixel will be increased in the figure. When the stick figure is deselected, all figure handle will be appear blue like here. जैसे कि दो फिगर है यहाँ पे जिसमें हमारे origin handle, onion screen और segment handle है, but second one is not selected, so it will be converted totally in the blue. Here you can see this is totally blue and this will have a red and the orange dot. Origin screen, segment handle and the onion screen, and this is the deselected. But when I click on this, you can see it will be totally converted in this. Now you cannot do changes in this figure. You can change this only this one figure. You can move the handles like this, but you cannot be changed just because it's not selected. And this is the selected figure, so you can change this in this figure, and this is deselected. So remember, when the figure is deselected, its all dots are converted into the blue. But if there are the red and the orange dots are there, means the figure is the selected one. So this is the difference between the blue figure and the orange figure. Okay, so already we do this. Now I am giving you one task to add a one frame. जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ पे दो फ्रेम, यहाँ पे फिगर मैंने यहाँ पे दो फिगर ऐड की है. You can choose the two other ones. Means you have to select the two more. बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट जो फिगर होगी वो तो आपको रखनी है, बट आपको पहले तो बैकग्राउंड रखना है आपके एनिमेशन में. देन यू हैव टू बी लोड द फिगर टाइप एंड फर्स्ट यू हैव टू चूज वन अल्फ़ाबेट, एनी ऑफ नंबर और द अल्फ़ाबेट. दिस इज द नंबर and you can also choose the alphabet, that is your choice, number or the alphabet. Then one figure type like this. Okay, so you have to be default make the three figures, add three figures and do any of the animation with them. This is your task. You have to be perform this task and you have to take a video of your task by using of play button and send me your that video on my personal WhatsApp number. So this is the thing I will show the play. This is a one demo that I show you. Play सिंपली इस तरह से आपको एक बार प्ले करने के लूप करके प्ले करना, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो योर चॉइस. एंड यू हैव टू सेंड योर टास्क ऑन माई पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप नंबर. सो हियर आई वांट टू एंड माई वीडियो सेशन and maybe Saturday we will be meet for our math test, and also we will meet for the animation, how to create an animation using Pivot Animator. Thank you so much. Have a good day.